To expose a diverse range of students to STEM education and careers, First Flight implemented WINGS, or Workplace Immersion for New Generation Scientists. WINGS provides first-hand work experience opportunities for STEM college students from disadvantaged backgrounds.
When I was in it, we had 4 days of researching with a company and then 1 day of learning about other fields of like a startup company if you want to start your own company. Internship was coming to an end, and then I got presented with the offer of, hey, you've done a great job here. We like your personality. So we would like to offer you this part-time opening position. They like to keep me on to do more experiments and more research. So it was like they offered me a full-time position. So ever since, I've been working here full-time. The WINGS program was important to me because it helped me get a full-time job.